Goldie Pie is possibly forming a head and shoulders pattern sa 1 hour time frame. Ha? Look at this. No? This is your left shoulder, and then your head, and your possible right shoulder. So head and shoulders po is a bearish pattern. If it breaks to the downside, kailangan break niya muna tong neckline natin dito sa head and shoulders natin. And if we're going to notice also sa galaw ni Goldie, look at this trend line. No? Binasag niya tong trend line na to kanina nung Asian session, and then nagtatry siya mag-rally back pabalik dun sa trend line, but it got rejected by our TPI cloud, yung green cloud po. No? Na-reject na siya dyan. Dalawa yung confluence. Ano yung una? Yung cloud. Yung pangalawa, yung trend line. So nakakakita na ng rejection. Nakabauna rin tayo ng parallel channel na downward sloping. Kung makikita nyo po ito. So ang next possible support using this parallel channel, okay, patulo tayo pabuntang 7560 area. Let's see kung tatalbog yan. Downward sloping parallel channel usually breaks to the upside. No? So magiging back to bullish to kung babasag tong price ni Goldie. Okay, after niya mag-dribble pababa, kung babasag siya pataas. So we will see. So yung head and shoulders pattern or downward sloping parallel channel. But for the meantime, in the immediate short term, we might see some selling pressure pa rin kay gold. And let's watch yung New York session kung ano yung gagawin ng mga nasa New York.